Ever wondered what makes a programming language work? One significant factor is the use of keywords. Just as vocabulary is fundamental to understanding any spoken language, keywords are the building blocks that give structure, behavior, and functionality to code. These power words can vary across different programming languages, each serving a unique purpose, from defining variables and data types to controlling flow and handling exceptions. So if you're looking to speak the language of computers, it's time to get familiar with these keywords. Let's dive into some commonly used keywords across different languages. Programming languages have different categories of keywords, each serving a unique purpose. Let's break them down. First up, we have variables and data types. These include int, float, double, char, and bool. These are used for declaring variables and specifying what kind of data they hold. Next, we delve into control flow. If, else, and elif are used for conditional statements. Switch, case, and default are for switch statements. For, while, and do while are for loops and iteration, with break and continue controlling loop execution. Then we have functions. Function, def, and method are for defining functions or methods, while return is for returning values from these functions. Now let's talk about input and output. Print, echo, and printf are used for output, and scanf, input, and read are for input. Exception handling is an important aspect of programming, and it's handled by keywords like try, except, finally, along with throw and catch in some languages. Moving on to classes and objects. Class, struct, and interface are for defining classes or structures. New, this, and self are for creating instances or referencing the current instance. Memory management is crucial in programming. Malloc and free are for dynamic memory allocation and deallocation. New and delete are used in languages like C++. Modifiers and scope are defined by public, private, protected for access control, static and final for defining static or constant elements, and global and local for specifying variable scope. Each language also has its own set of language-specific keywords that enable unique features or functionalities. Operators like plus, or asterisk for arithmetic, equal sign for comparison, and NN for logical operations are also key. Lastly, comments are denoted by //, and p for single line or multi-line comments. These keywords are just a general overview, and the actual set of keywords can vary significantly between programming languages. So, keywords are the building blocks of any programming language. They shape the structure, behavior, and functionality of your code, whether you're declaring variables, controlling flow, defining functions, or managing memory. These terms, like int, if, function, or new, are the language your computer understands. But remember, this is just a general overview. Each programming language has its unique set of keywords. Always refer to the specific documentation or language specifications for a comprehensive list. Next time you write a piece of code, remember the crucial role these keywords play. Happy coding!